You don't need to be a tech genius to make money online. In fact, I made my first $500 without coding, without a fancy website, and without any fancy tools. If you ever said, I want to make money online, but I don't know where to start, then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down simple, real ways that you can make your first $500 online, and one of them only costs $25 to get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kathy, and I'm here to talk about daily pay, online income, and side hustles that actually work, especially for beginners. When I started, I didn't have any tech skills. I had no fancy gear, and honestly, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. But over time, I've discovered a simple online method that helped me make my first $500. And today I'm going to share them with you step by step. Before we jump in, I just have to say this: making money online doesn't require genius level skills. It requires consistency and learning as you go. You don't need to know coding, design, or even video editing. What you do need is to pick something that's really simple, start small, and stick with it until it actually works. All right, let's get into practical ways that you can make your first $500. Okay, so first thing we're going to look at is freelance and simple tasks, no skills needed. On platforms like Fiverr or Upworks, you don't have to be an expert. People pay for things like typing, proofreading, transcription, or even managing small social media pages. Start with one simple gig, price it low, and aim for your first few reviews. Once you get 3 to 5 good reviews, you can raise your price. This alone can bring in your first $500 really quickly. Okay, so number two is you can teach or you can tutor online, and I do this. If you speak English, you can earn by teaching conversational English online on websites like Preply, Cambly, Amazing Talker, and italki. They all hire tutors worldwide. You don't need a teaching degree, you just need a stable internet connection and a friendly attitude. You can start small. Even 1 hour a day can make you $10 to $20. And over a few weeks, that can add up to $500. So, number three is sell digital products without design skills. You can sell simple digital products like planners, worksheets, or even templates using Canva and Etsy. Canva already gives you pre-made templates. You just customize them and then you upload them. If you sell even 25 items at $20 each, what's my math skills now? That's $500. And it's all done from home with zero tech stress. Okay, let's look at number four. And coming in hot to number four is the $25 AI side hustle, which is affiliate marketing. This is my favorite because it's what I personally use. For a one-time payment of only $25, you can start promoting digital tools using your own affiliate link. The system gives you everything: your link, training, and AI tools that help you market, even if you've never done it before. You earn commissions when people buy through your link. It's simple, beginner friendly, and you can literally start in one day. This is how many people make their first $100 to $500 online because it doesn't require tech setup or it doesn't require any experience. So if you want to learn more about that, just pop down to the description below and you're going to see my link in the description below. And I click on that link and you can find out more information about the $25 side hustle. Okay, so number five is to become a content reposter with like AI and social media. Did you know that you can earn by repurposing existing content online? Some programs and affiliate systems let you share pre-made videos, posts, or reels and earn from the traffic that you make. You can just use your phone and you can post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook Reels and use your affiliate link in your bio. If you're already on social media, and I'm sure most of you are, then this is one of the easiest ways to start earning daily pay without creating something from scratch. Okay, so how to combine all of these things? Now, here's the real secret. Don't try and do all five at once. Choose one or two and focus on building momentum and stack them later. For example, start with the $25 AI side hustle to get daily pay and then use that income to create your own digital products or to grow a tutoring side business. And that is how you build a sustainable online income. Let's be real. Your first $500 won't come overnight. But if you spend even 1 hour a day posting, sharing, or offering your services, it will come much faster than you think. Most people give up too soon. Don't be that person that gives up too soon. Be consistent, stay teachable, and keep showing up day after day. So yes, you can absolutely make your first $500 online without any tech skills. You just need to pick one path and you need to start. If you want to start with the $25 AI side hustle that I mentioned, the link is in the description below. It's a great first step if you're serious about learning how to earn money online and to grow online, and it doesn't have a very big capital outlay. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more real online income ideas and side hustle tips every week. And drop a comment below telling me which method you want to try first. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.